Alright, here's a 2026 remake video of the Hunter Regalia ceiling fan installed in my grandparents' house. This ceiling fan is from January of 2012, and it was installed here in 2013 when my grandparents moved into the house. And it replaced a 52-inch Harbor Breeze White Star that was in here before, which I only know because my grandparents showed me a picture of it. So by the very first time I ever visited this house, this fan was here, so I never actually got to test out the White Star, and actually didn't know about it until many years later. But anyways, I'll give you a closer look at this fan. This is in the new bronze finish, and it has reversible walnut to cherry blades. It's a little hard to actually see the other side of the blades though. But anyways, these ceiling fans were sold at Lowe's. They came out in 2011, and they sold them throughout the entirety of the decade. Well, the entirety of the 2010s. And I think they still make these today, but now they have a different look to them. But I definitely prefer the original look a lot more, especially because of the blade brackets on these fans. Well, actually, the blade brackets are pretty much the only thing I really like about this fan. But honestly, that's enough, really, to me, for me to like this fan, is the blade brackets. But yeah, it uses the same blade brackets as like a Hampton Bay Quick Connect or Reddington, and I know some other Hunter fans use these as well. Basically, this fan is basically the successor to the Berkeley that was sold at Lowe's in the 2000s. But anyways, let's demonstrate it, starting with the light kit. This is the only fan in the house that has two separate switches for the light and fan on the wall, as you can see. So yeah, just give it a closer look here. And we'll start off on low speed. And this is actually a 4-speed ceiling fan, by the way. And it stalls out on the first speed. So I just turned it on, but it's stalling right now. So I have to pull the pull chain 5 times for this to work. As you can see, first pull did nothing because it just turns the fan off, and then pull it 4 times and it will work. So here it is on its first speed. Yeah, this first speed here is pretty much completely useless. It's like, I think it's even slower than the first speed on an IntelliTouch Casablanca fan. There's basically no reason for the speed at all except for aesthetics. I don't even think it's up to full speed yet. But yeah, there it is on its first speed. And now with the light kit on. And for 2010's Hunter ceiling fan, it's not bad at all. It's actually pretty good. I mean, it's not one I would pick out, but it's good enough. It looks really good in this house, especially in this room. But yeah, there it is on its first speed, and I think it's starting to slow down. And yep, it's stalling out. Well, let's turn it on to its second speed now. Alright. So, the second speed on this fan is an absolutely big jump from its first speed. So yeah, there it is. This is the speed I would prefer to keep it on when I'm in the room. Alright, so there's that. Now I'm going to go turn it on to its third speed. So yeah, there it is on its third speed now. My camera's not really focusing right now. And these fans also came in brushed nickel, but I think the bronze is probably the more common among the two of them. So there's that. And now for full speed. And in terms of noise level, this fan definitely has a noticeable humming sound to it, but it's really not that loud at all. It's not even really noticeable unless it's really quiet in the room. But yeah, here it is on high speed. And it is pretty wobbly as well, but that's normal for any ceiling fan. So yeah, there it is. Now I can show a top shot of it here. And we can turn the light kit back on it. So there's that. And now I'll turn it back off now. Well, anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye.